Hi, this is Charlie giving you Monday's video, and I hope you're very well. I was speaking to a professional trader friend of mine on Saturday, and he was saying that his account had been going sideways for the last about 3 weeks, I think, and it just brought a subject title for the video here to mind, and I thought, well, yeah, okay. What do you do if you find your account's been going sideways for a few weeks? Let's say it's more important if you're a lot more of an intraday trader or short-term trader, because if you're more of a position trader, an account going sideways is irrelevant really, because you might have only been in a couple of positions maybe. But if you're trading every day and you find in your account's just going sideways, you're going up a bit and you're giving it back, and so 1 week you're up, next week you're down, 1 week you're up, next week you're down. What do you do? Well, really, there's not a lot you do. All you've got to do is make sure that you maintain your discipline and you don't get frustrated and then allow yourself to then overtrade, trying to break out of that pattern, or trade too big a size trying to break out of that pattern. So that's the main thing. So if you find yourself just your account going sideways, don't allow yourself to get frustrated, because the markets will always come back for you. So if you just find that for whatever reason you can't read the market as well as you had been previously, or just the strategy that you've been using just doesn't seem to be giving you the points, but you're still going sideways, well, just be careful, sit back, it will come back to you. Sometimes the markets are just going through funny periods which aren't suited to your style. They might be suited to other people's styles, but not necessarily to your style. So you just have to make sure that you maintain that patience, and it will come back for you. It always does. Right, now, unless you're doing a completely mechanical style, in which case, yes, you have to monitor it. Now, I'll have a quick look at the markets here, but I'm sure Kim's done a video today anyway. So, yes, the euro, this is a daily chart of the euro, still looking pretty weak. It's just drifting its way down here at the moment. We've got a lot of news coming out this week, with ECB press conference on Thursday, and then we've got non-farm payrolls on Fridays. Not a lot of news coming out today, so the market's really, I guess, just waiting in anticipation for later on this week. So there's a lot of calls for the markets to, obviously, the euro dollar to carry on coming lower. So we've got to be looking down to those lows of, so to go out to a weekly chart all the way back to earlier on in this year, that it's looking likely that the euro is going to want to come down and test those one way or another, whether it pushes up a little bit first and then comes down, or comes down and then does a reversal, who knows. But and certainly that will be it could be a decent amount of support. It hasn't been tested all year, but certainly that's where the euro's looking like it wants to go. I shall leave that with you. It's going to be an interesting week. Hopefully I can do Friday's video, but like I said, on Friday, it is Kim's and my Christmas party on Thursday, so I'll see how I feel Friday morning. I may not be wanting to trade too much on Friday morning, but we shall see. Anyway, I shall leave you to it for now. Have a great week.